ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, designed to engage in natural language conversations with users. The model is based on a transformer architecture and was trained on a massive corpus of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. The purpose of ChatGPT and other language models like it is to enable more natural and efficient interactions between humans and machines. With the ability to understand and respond to natural language input, these models can be used for a wide range of applications, from customer service chatbots to language translation software. The development of ChatGPT and other advanced AI models has been made possible by the rapid advances in computing power and data availability in recent years. The training process for these models involves feeding large amounts of data into neural networks, allowing them to learn patterns and relationships in the data and generate new output based on that learning. However, there are also concerns about the potential dangers of AI and the need for responsible development and deployment. Some experts worry that AI could be used to automate jobs and displace workers, or even be used to develop autonomous weapons with unpredictable consequences. As a language model, ChatGPT does not have physical agency and cannot take actions in the world on its own. However, its ability to generate convincing language and respond to user input has led to concerns about the potential for AI-generated fake news or propaganda. Overall, the development of ChatGPT and other language models represents an exciting breakthrough in the field of AI and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. However, it is important to proceed with caution and consider the ethical implications of this technology as it continues to evolve.